Hi guys, that time of year I had to get up in the loft to get down the boxes of Christmas decorations, and because while I was up there I was looking at some of my other stuff that's stored up there, and I couldn't resist bringing this one down to give it a run. It is a rubber band powered car which uses gears to convert the rubber to circular motion, so we need to put some rubber bands on it. This was number 151 on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, January 22nd, 2019. So all we're going to do now is give it a run up and down the kitchen. I had to put some hot glue on the wheels because they'd been crushed a bit, pushed over, so they weren't rolling straight. And that's the only thing I've done to them, straighten the wheels up. Cutting the gears was fun, I remember doing that. You'll have to have a look in the video description for the link to the original video if you want to find out what I did. Yeah, we'll just give it a run up and down the kitchen for old time's sake, and then it can probably go back in the loft. It was actually reusing the chassis from an even earlier one. I'd spray painted blue back in the days when you could get a tin of spray paint from Poundland for £1. I haven't done that for years. I used to use it all the time. Anyway, I'll put some rubber bands on it and we'll give it a run up and down the kitchen. I'll go and put the camera at the far end, see if we can hit the camera. I seem to remember we took this out in a car park somewhere to see how far it would run. Because with a twisted rubber band, you can get a much better distance. I have to have a look at the old videos. You want this one good run?